static I don't recognize. Lines in the sky. I was searching, trying to see. I've been thinking about the way that the light hits the floor in the house where we used to stay. I don't go there anymore. Can't go back too far. Pressurizing